different cultures, different languages, different histories, yet there is something strange we all share. We fear the same things. The dark, a fear found in every culture, not because it's evil, but because the human mind fears what it cannot see. Mirrors, too. Across the world, people share the same warning. Don't stare too long. You might see something that isn't you. Abandoned places scare us all because the mind asks only one question: why did people leave? And any sound without an explanation is instantly translated by the brain as danger. But here is the surprising truth. These are not superstitions. They are ancient alarm systems wired into our minds. Our ancestors feared the dark because predators hid there. They feared strange sounds because they meant real danger. The world changed, but our brains remember. So maybe superstitions aren't complete lies, but ancient fears trying to protect us even today. Science evolved, but fear never forgot.